This is why you should change that your supply flex duct. I recently did a video on why you should change your return and supply plenums, and if in flex duct, this is what's inside, and this is what's being distributed throughout your home if you don't change this. This is what happens when you buy a home and you don't have the flex duct changed out. All these debris from the old units. Here's the old unit, and you got to make sure you check behind your AC unit because they'll leave units in the attic if you don't check them. So I got a new unit. They left the old unit up there. I'm going to take that out. But this is what's inside, and that's why I'm changing it out. I got to clean that out real good so that won't affect the new flex duct that's being installed into it. But this is what's inside of your flex duct if you haven't had it changed. You just previously bought a home. If you have flex duct, sometimes you don't have the flex duct, but if you have flex duct like I have, this is in the attic. This is why you want to change them out. Dust mites, dust, debris, old debris. This is why your allergies could be possibly acting up. You want to make sure you change the flex ducts out. You want to measure from here. All you gotta do is just take off the old flex duct and put on a new one. Make sure you get the proper size. That's 6 inch, but you want to make sure you measure to make sure you have the right size flex for the job you're doing.